This trade here on on KiwiCAD, this long entry, it sounds like most of the Falcon community took this trade on one sort of another. We have this impulse up on the daily and correction, and an extension of this correction, um, and I think we're at the bottom of that and moving back up now. On the 1 hour, I entered after this flag. Actually, I'm going to move this ahead one, because this is what made me this daily candle here. This is a perfect morning star. That's what made me hold this a little bit looser, because I was actually aiming for longer term for up to this level, which would be some 25%, I think. So anyways, I entered above this bull flag, and after a few hours price moved up. I was at break even. I was considering taking this flag as well. I didn't end up setting the order. I had an order set somewhere else, and it was the second continuation, so it's a little less likely, so I let it go. It would have resulted, a lot of people took that and they took a break even right here. At this point I still had the stop loss. At this point, after this took off, I moved the stop loss under this flag, like many others ended up doing as well. And then at once we got above this high, at this time, I moved the stop loss about midway through the flag, which was just under here, and I stayed in it there. I got taken out right at this point, and price continued up afterward. We finished about here, so in total I was running about 4.8%. I banked 2.5, really about 2 with my broker, and right now would be about almost 5. It was a good spot to get out. Even if I left my first stop loss down here, it still would have taken me out. There's no way I would have it way down here when it's ran to this level. There was even kind of another entry here I was sort of looking at, but I wasn't sure if that was just emotions, because there's not a lot of confirmation. It's just the second touch, but there is this nice morning star. That would have been a good entry as well, or this little impulse up flag and up. But either way, I didn't take any of those. They weren't great. But we'll see if we get some more continuation, because I think we're going to move to the upside. But we'll find out next week. So that one banked a little over 2%.